Hey guys, it's been a while. Welcome to 2021. May this one be a much better year than last year. So actually, Walker Homes did great last year. We helped a lot of families who didn't know what to do with their mobile homes after a loved one passed away. And as you know, we are a full service company to ensure that you have a seamless sale. So if you are looking to sell your mobile home for cash, we are here. And on the other side of that, the flip side is that we also provide gorgeous, affordable housing for those who are looking for a nice space, clean parks, safe ones. What I mean by us being a full service organization is once we sell you a mobile home, that doesn't necessarily mean that that's the end of our relationship. I had a lady who called me. She was cooking in her brand new kitchen, and she accidentally dropped a pan on the ground and burnt her brand new flooring that we just installed. And she called me and she was like, "You wouldn't happen to have extra pieces of this flooring?" And of course, we brought it over to her, and that is some of the service that we provide for people. We want to take care of you, and we want to make sure that you're happy, satisfied, and we are here for you. So let 2021 be a great one for you. Feel free to call us or email us if you're looking to sell your mobile home. We are here. And if you're looking to buy a mobile home, we are here for you. So give us a call. Dropped a pan, or was it a pan, or you need my clap.